Hello guys, welcome to the Trading Parrot. I'm gonna give you a 2 minutes to 3 minutes max update for all YouTube members and Patreon. They get it in the morning and it goes live by midnight UK time. If you wanna be part of that, join my Patreon or my YouTube membership. We got in here the 4 hour coming in to the resistance at 62.77. That is a price of 112k. And we have two patterns forming, one on the 4 hour, which is very clear in here. We have a left shoulder ahead and a potential right shoulder that could form with a neckline at 107.5, and that has a target of around 100k.4. We currently are attempting to break out beyond that level, but resistance is coming in very heavy at 112, 14 and 118. It is at 114 if we go beyond that level where we could potentially invalidate the head and shoulder, in which case we have on the daily already a breakout from a neckline of 110.8 of a double bottom that does not have a bullish divergence because it's coinciding with the shape of the RSI as well, and a potential bullish MACD cross incoming as well. We need to be very careful with this breakout because we are entering Friday and the weekend, the low volume, and we need a follow through. If we manage to break above 110.7, we need this candle later to have another one to the upside, because the worst thing that can happen is that we close this candle as a breakout, but on the weekend we don't follow through and we come back and we put a new low. On the weekly time frame, we have as well an attempt to reclaim the head and shoulder that is targeting 88. We have already achieved 50% of the target, getting into 102, and that has been the pattern so far in the bullish market. Print a bearish pattern, fake out everybody with just half or less than half of the technical target, and then continue rally to the upside. I'm not saying that is going to be the case, but be on the lookout for a weekly close beyond 115, and at that point you get a green engulfing candle reclaiming neckline, and you could potentially as well reclaim at 113.4 the bull market support band with a weekly candle close. That will be phenomenal, but of course keep an eye for a rejection as well in case we need to visit the 50 weekly again. When it comes to my long, I am currently not in a long. I am following the discipline rule that says do not take more than once the same entry from the same place, and I already compromised that rule because I took two longs from around 108, 107. So on the third, I didn't want to do that, and it started running in here towards the CPI, the good news of ZZ being pardoned, and some meetings with Hong Kong as well that are bringing in potential bullishness towards the end of the trade war. We don't know, it's just speculative, and people are currently adding into open interest and just speculating that this could be it. Watch out the full video, the full length video. This is just a short update and I might miss key elements that you need to watch in that one as well. I hope you enjoy the short update and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.